joined by Craig from Pimberly. Craig, thanks for joining us on Member Monday. First of all, tell us a little bit about the company.
Morning, Tom. Good to see you again. So Pimberly is a software as a service PIM/DAM solution provider. We enable manufacturers, distributors, and multi-brand resellers to easily produce rich, complete, accurate product information that's easily shared throughout the supply chain.
So the bulk of our association's members are manufacturers and suppliers of bathroom products. What can your business do to support them in their day-to-day business?
Yeah, so the manufacturers, of course, is the start of the supply chain. So everything starts with a foundation, and what they do makes it easy all the way through the supply chain. So Pimberly will label them a little bit like an assembly line to put together the product information that is required by all of their resellers, the end customer, etc., making sure that it's complete, everything's complete in the first place, that it is accurate down to in terms of whether that's as simple as spelling or making sure dimensions are correct. Of course, dimensions in your market, very, very important. It's a very visual industry as well. People like to see, so we can make sure that they're holding multiple images from it, videos, how-to guides, installation guides, etc. We auto create product data sheets, something that's very, very labor intensive for manufacturers. You make a change within our platform, it will automatically update the product data sheet. And then, of course, once you've got it, you've got to be able to get it out. It's no good just having it in the system. So easily provide that in the formats that their customers want. So they can either do that through a direct feed from the platform. We have a customer portal that they can log on and self-service or push out to any which system they have. And of course, when you look at onboarding new customers as well, it's obviously a big challenge as well. It's what, it's there you go. That's all you need for your systems from it. So a mass efficiency and also growth enabler for the manufacturers.
So you touched there on the end that members are looking for growth. They're also looking for productivity and efficiency all the time. With technology kind of really developing at such a pace, how do you see what product information can do in terms of efficiency and productivity for our sector and going in the near and medium term future?
It depends really where they are on their own, I guess, digital journey, and we see within the market such a varied kind of stage of where people are in terms of they may be just starting because they don't really know where to go or what to do with it, through to some that have been Pimberly customers for over 7 years and they're really far ahead and really pushing the boundaries further. So if you look at the foundations, it's creating the efficiency a lot of the time to deploy that resource for growth as well. So rather than people just spending so much time manually crunching and checking data. We saw one of our customers, a manufacturer, they bought Pimberly just because a lot of their designers were doing it. And speaking to the MD, he said, Craig, I've got designers that they don't want to be doing this. They're not paid to be doing this from it. So they can create that efficiency that then allows them to look at other areas of making sure that it is rich. There is the images for it as well. And of course, you can't do anything in 2025 without mentioning AI. So we have a phenomenal AI proposition that will really help from simply producing product descriptions through to onboarding the images and reading the images and also populating the PIM. So we'll continue with ensuring there's the efficiency, and the efficiency delivers the growth. We have hundreds of organizations in your market that are uploading products into Pimberly, but they're doing it separately for all of our different customers, whether that be some of the nationals, Wolseley, City Plumbing, etc., to a lot of the locals as well. It's when we're looking at it, why can't they just upload it once into one central account, and all of your members and all of our customers can have that utopian of free-flowing, complete, rich product information.
Well, that's a picture that we like to see you paint. So it's fascinating stuff, Craig. Always a pleasure, and look forward to seeing you in the conference which is coming up. So thanks very much.
Look forward to it. Thanks, Tom.